Hi everybody, this is Joey Yap, author of the best-selling title, The Destiny Code, creator of the BaZi Profiling System, and founder of the Mastery Academy of Chinese Metaphysics. Now, in the past 3 videos that you have watched, I have introduced you to the concept of BaZi Profiling. Okay, so in this video, let me bring you a little bit further to a program that I have that I'm teaching. It's called the Design Your Destiny BaZi Profiling Online Training Program. It's a 6-week program where I take you deep into the subject of profiling, where you're going to study all the 3 concepts that you've already explored in the 3 videos in great detail. Let me tell you a little bit about it. First of all, I'm introduced to the concept about destiny. Now, many of you have this concept that life is fated. Okay? Now, in our view, as a modern astrologer, we don't see ourselves as fortune tellers. We regard ourselves as destiny analysts. By that, we mean that we analyze a person's destiny, and our aim is to design it so that we can enjoy a better life. You know, what's the point of going to a person and saying, oh, your life is fated, it's going to be bad forever? You want to know what are the solutions that can change that. You know, in the past, it is not possible to change, astrologers' information. It's because they don't have that technology. For example, if someone has certain character, they don't think that character can be changed, and therefore this person will be poor forever. But today is different. People are into self-improvement. People want to know what can they do to become better. Now, in this program, we're going to talk about what sort of tools that we could use to study one's personality and convert that personality into an asset, so that you can create wealth and create the destiny that you so desire. How do we do that? Very simple. Awareness is the first step of change. You got to be aware of what you already have in your destiny chart. So in the profiling system, it's not so much of astrology, it's about understanding who you are and what you have so that you can use it to become better. You see, in olden times astrology, there are basically 2 ways of the usage of astrology. 1 is to find out who are you, and then 2, it is to find out what will happen to you. Now, can you control what will happen to you? You can't. We all can't control what will happen to us. But we can control ourselves. We can control 4 things. Number 1, we can control our personality. Okay? As much as you think that you cannot control personality, you actually can. You know why? Because all you have to do is be aware of what needs to be controlled. What are the positives and what are negatives? So that's the first thing. The second thing we can control is also our thinking. Because the thinking is what affects our happiness. And the purpose of life is to be happy. But how is it that someone can be happy? It really depends on, how they think. So the thinking is important, and once you know how to do it, you can actually achieve it. It's all about awareness, okay? So the second part is thinking. The third thing that we want to do is that we want to find out what our gifts, our talents are. You can maximize that and enter the path of least resistance to creating the wealth or the career that you desire. So these 3 things are important. Of course, the 4th thing is planning, strategy. It's knowing all this and consciously perform all the positive things or the healthy side of your profile so that you can achieve a better version of you. So the whole program about designing your destiny is basically becoming a better you. And we do this through BaZi Profiling. So I've come up with this program. It's a 6-week program where every week you will be given 1 lesson through a video where you will study and you go through the notes that I provide, and then you will understand 1 section of your personality profile. So you'll also be given access to a site where you can plot out as many charts as you want so that you can go through the course with. Now, it's really simple. Every week, we will send you an email and give you access to, and I will give you the instructions through those videos. And after you watch it, you can do it from the comfort of your own home, and then you go through the course materials, and then you will learn the subject one by one, okay? So generally, over the 6 weeks, we will take you from the concept of destiny, how you can change it, understanding the self, answering the questions, who am I, knowing how you think and how you operate and think better, and subsequently knowing all the roles that you need to play to become successful in life. And we're going to do this through BaZi Profiling, and this will be a 6-week program. Now with this program, I'm going to offer a 2-part tutorial that will go through a Q&A with all you guys so that you will get all your questions answered. So what we're going to do is that after you go through this course, I'm sure you have questions. And we're going to meet online, and we will go through these questions so that you will understand how better to apply this profiling system. And remember, profiling system can be applied on a personal level or can be applied for other people. If you're doing consulting work, you're dealing with people, and you want to know about people, this is the best tool to use. And we will show you how in this program. You know, people knowledge is the most important tool that corporations need today. It's about understanding people, because everything you want in life comes from people. So by understanding profiling, by understanding how to do this personality assessment, you will be able to understand how to influence, instruct, and motivate others. This is the tool. So in 6 weeks, we're going to go through this program, and we're going to go and learn how to use this personality assessment system through the ancient art of BaZi Astrology in the form of profiling. Okay, it's going to be really fun. Now, let me encourage you to sign up, because this is a program that I'm just launching right now. It's never been done before, so I would like all of you to participate at the same time. So now, there are some books that I'm sure that can help you with your studies. So together with this program, the first bonus that I'm offering today is the 10-Day Master book set in ebook form. Okay, so once you sign up right now, you can immediately download these books and start reading. And remember, you have the charts already with hand. You can already compare the information with these books. Now, not only that, now the cost of this 6-week training is $997. Now this price is way much cheaper than actually coming to a live course that we actually teach. And you actually save on accommodation, you save on travel, and you save on time, because in this program, we actually do it from the comfort of your own home. Now, as a bonus for you participating in this launching of my new program, I will have the following. Bonus 1, all the 10 books on the 10-Day Masters, all these 10 books, ebooks, I will give it to you for free. And these cost alone $60. Okay? Now, on top of that, I'm sure you also want to know about the structures. Well, I do have them in the book form. I have 5 books. I'll present this to you as bonus 2 as part of this package as well. And this is a $30 package. Now, of course, there's bonus 3. You know about the 10 profiles? Okay, I have written 10 books on these 10 profiles. Again, these 10 ebooks is yours, and the whole package itself is $60. This is bonus 3. And for bonus 4, I'm going to give you a full BaZi Profiling Career Report. Meaning, you know, you key in your date of birth, we're going to use your data and produce a 70 plus 80 pages report on your career. So this will be based on your profiling, and you can use that as part of your study material as well. Now, just in case that, you know, you might not understand, you know, all these materials, you don't know how to apply it to yourself, you know what? I want to make sure that you understand these materials clearly. So I'm going to include a BaZi Profile coaching session for you. So one of my coaches is going to go through with you, either through Skype or on the phone, with your BaZi profile. So it's going to help you understand everything in your chart to make sure that you understand not just the material of the courses, but you will also understand the material of your chart so that you understand yourself. And bonus 6, remember the tutorials I told you about? This is $200 worth of online tutorial session that I will be going through with you the questions that you may have. I know when you study, you always have some questions. No problem. Join me on this online tutorial, and I will be glad to answer all these questions for you. Now, if you total all this up, it's a grand total of $720. So I really hope you can sign up right now, because this is the first time we are launching this program. It is $997, but you know, the live program costs $3,000. Okay, so this is $997 because you're doing online, and we are giving away $720 for the participants. And this is the registration date. I hope you can register. I will see you in the program.